I know it's hard. It's really difficult to choose a programming language, especially when you're starting out in data science and machine learning. Now, you may be getting thoughts like, what if I choose R and I don't get the right results, right? Which one will be easy for me to understand as a non computer science grad? And which one will help me doing better projects? Well, hello everyone, my name is Afreen Rahman and welcome to yet another episode of Data Giri. In today's video, we'll be comparing both R and Python programming languages on the basis of usability, flexibility, visualization, libraries, ease of learning, and we'll also see that which one to you is good to use for data science and machine learning. Well, let's start with understanding the basics first, right? Both of these two programming languages were created in the 90s. Now, Python is a high-level programming language and it is loved by developers all around the world, whereas R is a low-level programming language and has a smaller developer community than Python. Now, R is a little slower than Python and R is basically created for data analysis and statistical analysis on huge amounts of data. Now, big companies use R for analyzing their massive data sets, but these companies also use Python for machine learning and data science, right? Now, Python is more of a general purpose programming language, but R was basically created for scientists to perform statistical and mathematical calculations on the data because it helps us to create beautiful visualizations. Now, if we compare which one of these is easy to learn and understand, let me tell you, most of the data scientists recommend using Python as a programming language as it has a lot of useful libraries like pandas. Now, you can use a single library for your whole data exploration process. On the other hand, if you start off with R, it will be a little difficult for you to start out, but once you understand the basics and you do your regular practice, it will be easy for you to understand and implement it as well. Now, if we talk about usability, our programming language has a lot of useful libraries and you have to remember them all. Some of the most popular ones are ggplot2, MLR, squeeze, etc. that we use in the data science. On the other hand, if you start out with Python, you have to learn only few libraries that can help you to do all the data science steps. Now, some of the most popular Python libraries are pandas, NumPy, matplotlib, etc. Now, let's just talk about visualizations using Python and R programming languages. So, R programming languages, gives us hundreds of functions to visualize our data sets, which are installed by default. That means we don't have to install any extra library to create the scatter plots, histogram, box plots, etc. On the other hand, in Python, we have to import libraries like matplotlib to visualize our data set using scatter plots, histograms, etc. So both of these two programming languages are well equipped with visualization libraries. Like Python is, it offers general purpose programming language, but R was basically created for analyzing the data set. So here in visualization, R is a clear winner. Finally, let's talk about machine learning using these two languages. Now, Python has some of the most popular, powerful libraries for machine learning. One of them is scikit-learn, now which makes it really, really easy to understand. Now, with Python, we can even go beyond ML and integrate with other languages as well. On the other hand, R also has some machine learning packages like Garret, which was created for data analysis and statistical analysis. But here, Python is a clear winner. Okay, so generally, you will see that there are more and more data scientists working with Python programming languages than R. And reason being that most of the working data scientists are not computer science grads, and Python is a very easy language to understand and learn, so they choose Python over R. And if you will see the Stack Overflow, Python is on number third in the most loved languages, whereas R is way below on the chart. So when you look for job postings, usually in data science and machine learning, you'll also find that companies don't really want individuals who know both these languages. Means it's good if you do know that, but they would prefer if you hire individuals who are fluent in any one of these languages. So nowadays, a lot of companies are, focused towards artificial intelligence, right? Machine learning. So you will see a lot of job postings for Python developers, right? In all of this, in this video, well, we have included all the points in comparison that you should keep in mind before choosing any one particular language. As for me, I would recommend that you should try your hands in both these languages. After doing some hands-on practice, I think you'll be more clear on which one to choose. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like the video, you subscribe our channel, and please let me know in the comment section below which all different topics you would like more videos on in the domains of data science and machine learning. Till then, happy learning and bye.